All right. Hi, I'm Adam. I'm here with my cousin Jeff here at his house. He's super nice to be letting me take care of this recording. I'm just doing an unboxing. I decided to get this. We're gonna show it up here so you can actually see it. I guess I don't know, this way. I'm conflicted though, because these things are just so expensive. And it took me a long time to really actually decide to get this thing. This is the 128 gigabyte model from Verizon. But I don't have Verizon. I have T-Mobile. Fortunately, T-Mobile says that the Verizon model will work. I was super lucky. I went in to the Apple store on Friday to get my MacBook fixed because the zero button was not working. And I decided to just on a whim ask if they actually had this particular model of iPhone. And I wanted this one. I'm just a sucker for shiny things, I guess. I don't know. Should I do it, Isaac? Should I open it or should I return it?
Well, open it so you can give it to me.
Okay, well, here we go. All right, okay, I'm doing it. I'm gonna do this. Make sure we're centered. I can hear the sound. All right. And here we go. That's from Batman, if you've ever seen that movie before.
Nope.
You've never seen Batman?
I'm not much of a DC whatever fan.
Isaac is not a DC Universe fan. Well, that's fine. It's actually kind of a good movie, but, well, all right, here we go. The Dark Knight. The Dark Knight. And here we go. You have the pull tab. Like, I wanted to use my knife to actually do this. I have this really big knife, but I guess they just want to make it as easy as possible to open. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh. Did you hear that, Isaac? Could you hear that?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I just did it. I just did it. I'll put this down on the ground. Oh my gosh, and it's just how it's like on other YouTube videos. The phone's not even the first thing you see. It's just designed by Apple. That first thing, right there. But we're gonna not worry about that for now. I'm just gonna take this. Oh my gosh, there it is. I can't even believe this.
There's my future phone.
It is not your future phone. But I'll put this over here. Let's see if that's okay. And I just lift it out. Lifting it out right now. It's just this black, shiny fingerprint magnet slab of a phone. It's so shiny. Oh my goodness. And it's so cold. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to open this thing. Oh wow. Okay, I hope that picked up. Okay, does it come with? Okay, we know what that's in the phone. Here's all the other stuff here. So we've got the charger brick thing you plug in, and normally it's like a shiny plastic, but this is more of an opaque plastic that's surrounding the plug. Then we have the earpods that are just lightning capable, and I think and then the little dongle, so you can, if you decide you want to use your headphones that you have and you can't, because there's no headphone jack on this thing, nothing. You see that? No headphone jack. Wow, that's so shiny. So many fingerprints. I don't even know what to think of this. I'm gonna do my fingerprint right there. There. That's disgusting. Okay, put that aside. And then anything else in the box? I mean, wow. This stuff does not come out of the box. So that's all I got here. Now the problem is, since I've got a T-Mobile SIM, oh, that's what I was wondering, is if it had a SIM card removal tool. And I don't think it does. Do you have a paperclip? Well, that's okay. I guess I should have brought one. Well, should we turn it on at least? I can just connect it to your Wi-Fi and then I can connect it to your Wi-Fi, and then I can set this up, and then I can charge it on, put it on my phone. I can just run to, like, there's no Apple stores down here. I have to go up to Fashion Place. All right, here we go. We're going to turn it on. It's turning on. It's turning on. There it is. Hello. 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 Allo. Bonjour. That's French. English. United States. Choose another network. Okay. Oh, cancel. Let's see. Is it Wi-Fi is not turned on, is it? There we go. There we go. And I'm going to turn this on. I'm not going to let anyone see what it is. Okay, it is loading in. It may take a few minutes to activate my iPhone. I probably should have put in my SIM card. Location services, enable location services. Sure. Let's set up the fingerprint ID, shall we? Continue. Adjust my grip, okay. Complete. All right. Let's see. Use code. We'll change it later. Okay, now I can restore from an iCloud backup or an iTunes backup. Let's do that. Restore as an iCloud backup. All right, typing in my Apple ID. How's it going? You hear it? Everything good? You got to use the bathroom? Okay. Let's wait. It says that it's sent a code. I haven't gotten a code yet. I'm just going to have him text it to me. Send a text. Two-factor authentication is very important, kids. All right. I think it just came in. All right. Updating iCloud settings. I gotta agree to everything, sign my life away. It says it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So I guess while that's going, oh, enter my MacBook Pro password. Some of your data stored in iCloud is protected by the password you used to unlock the MacBook Pro. Adam's MacBook Pro. That's my MacBook Pro. So I need to type in that. Let's see. Let's see if that works. Seems to be working. I guess this would be easier if I just plug this into my computer. That would probably be the easiest route. Anyway, guys, that's another Adam McGrath unboxing.